Look at the snow. Oh my gosh. Look at the side road. The snow in the side is very tall. Look at that. Look at that.
Show the car ahead too,
Look at the car.
so you can tell how tall it is compared to the car.
There's a tree in there. A tree, I mean not tree. And then look at, can you imagine it, how cold right now? It's all powdery.
It's been like this for 15 miles all the way out of Streeter.
Yep, look at how high is the snow. You pile up in one corner. We're not done yet. There. Snow. I like snow, but oh, this is the coldest one. It's a little bit good here, but I'm gonna show you how long this snow pile. Oh my god. Look at that. Still very cold. We're not done yet for winter. I know in Texas it's usually hot, but we have snow in Texas. Can you imagine it? I mean, only in the other side is a high piled up snow, because all the snow from the other side is blown away, drift to the other side. Sorry for our windshield. It's also cold, still very cold. What is it today? -5?
-4 right now.
Right now we have -4, and I do believe that they're still talking of snow coming. Look at how tall that pile there. Can even hardly see the
Almost as
size.
tall as a semi-truck.
Alright, we are already approaching in the interstate. Okay, thanks for watching.